Welcome to our professional text editing service, where we help transform ordinary text and visual content into clean, polished, and professional-looking results. In today's digital world, clear and properly presented text is extremely important. Whether you are working on a business document, promotional design, product image, brochure, menu, advertisement, presentation, or other creative material, even small text problems can affect the overall appearance and readability. Our text editing service is designed to help you correct, replace, update, and improve text according to your specific requirements. We can work with different types of visual materials where text needs to be edited or adjusted. This may include changing existing wording, correcting spelling, updating information, replacing headings, modifying numbers, adjusting labels, or making other legitimate design-related text changes. One of the important parts of our service is maintaining a natural and professional appearance after editing. Simply replacing text is not always enough. The new text needs to match the surrounding design. That is why we pay attention to font style, font size, color, spacing, alignment, positioning, and overall visual consistency. For example, if a text element appears inside a product image, promotional graphic, or design document, we can adjust the replacement text so that it fits naturally with the existing layout. Our text editing service can also include font matching. If the original design uses a specific typography style, we can identify a suitable font and adjust its size, weight, spacing, and positioning to create a consistent appearance. Another important area is background cleanup. When existing text is removed, the area underneath may require careful editing. We can clean and restore the surrounding area before adding the new text, helping the final result look smooth and professional. Our text editing service is suitable for many legitimate creative and commercial projects. You can use the service for brochures, menus, product images, banners, posters, advertisements, social media graphics, business materials, presentations, catalog designs, and other visual content. Quality and attention to detail are important throughout the editing process. We carefully review the text placement, spacing, alignment, and overall design so that the final image looks organized and easy to read. If you have a design that needs a simple text correction, a complete text replacement, or multiple text updates, our text editing service can be customized according to your requirements. Our goal is to provide clean, accurate, and professional text editing while preserving the original design as much as possible. Whether you need to update a product description, correct a heading, replace a promotional message, change a label, or modify other legitimate visual text, professional editing can save time and improve the final presentation. Our text editing service is also useful for businesses, designers, marketers, online sellers, content creators, and individuals who need reliable visual text adjustments. We focus on maintaining the quality of the original design while making the requested changes clearly and accurately. If you are looking for a professional text editing service for your next project, you can contact us with your requirements and sample image. We accept payments through crypto, Zoom, Remitly, and Western Union. Thank you for considering our professional text editing service.